ear. Just hold your legs nice and still for me. Of course, you're going to breathe normally the whole time.
We're doing a checkup today. I am having a bone scan because I've had some lingering pain in my left femur for like the last 6 to 9 months. So I live on a farm. Raising show pigs is a big passion of ours. I was outside one evening out in the farrowing house. That's where the baby pigs are. And I came in to prepare dinner for my family, and I had an itch under my underwire, and I felt a lump. For some reason, it really made me pause, and I felt really kind of concerned all of a sudden. But I did make some phone calls, and a wonderful place that I had not even heard of was Saxony. Scheduled me for a mammogram right away. So I came and did my mammogram, and on that day they a phenomenal tech did mine, who I actually was familiar with. So it gave some comfort just because of all the kindness in the office. But they did the mammogram, and then I sat back outside, and then they wanted to take some more images. I sat for a little bit longer, and then they came and talked to me and chatted that they wanted to, they thought that we needed to look a little deeper. There was something seen, and so they did an ultrasound and a biopsy all that afternoon. Amazing, Dr. Narter did do the biopsy that day as well. But then we did go into a little bitty room there, and again it was just me because I was just coming to have my first mammogram about this lump that was supposed to be nothing, and in that little room he discussed with me that he was about 87% sure I had breast cancer. And so I do recall that there was a conversation that we hoped that it wasn't metaplastic triple negative breast cancer, but it sure looked like it. And so the next step then was meeting with a surgeon. That is actually who gave me my full diagnosis on that day, that it was indeed metaplastic triple negative breast cancer. So super rare, not a lot on it. So to me, I was like, we gotta roll. I remember coming in Saxon, I was like, whoa, this place is nice, right? And then I was like, wow, this place is really clean. Like, oh, and even the bathrooms smell like vanilla. And there's all these little things that are great, but all of that goes away to me when I think of the people, right? If you can have the shiniest thing in the world, but if you don't have the right culture and care and love of people, you have nothing.
I do have a second blanket here. Would you like that second blanket?
If I did get news someday that I don't want, I'm so thankful to have Saxony as home that I know the guy who's going to be on the other side of the phone, right? And that's big to someone like me who needs someone in their corner when things can hit the fan a little bit.